gives licenses to the dogs that are in their community so they can keep track of the dogs that are in their community. You understand that concept? Okay. Mr. Hart's file, Mr. Bowditch.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Clark in place of the attorney of record, Mr. Granado.
That's okay with you?
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, we have met with Clark. We have a precinct investigation. Find the facts accurate. The positions, no corrections, no additions. There would be one thing I would respond to. No, that's on me.
Okay.
So we're asking you to adopt the recommendations of probation.
Okay. Mr. Hart, don't feel that you have to, but I'm giving you a chance. Anything you want to add?
Yeah, recently I've stopped all drugs. I just smoke marijuana, so just want to do it.
Okay. Do you consider marijuana to be a mood altering substance? You don't?
What you mean, like, say that again?
Do you consider marijuana to be a mood altering substance?
Like my anger or something?
Does it alter your mood? No? You are ordered not to do any mood altering substances. And 99% of the time when I say that means no alcohol, no marijuana. Okay. But you're smoking dope and you've been doing it since I court ordered you not to. That's not a good way to start probation. So you're not smoking marijuana unless you want to violate probation. Understood? Anything else?
Nothing. I'm sorry.
All right, I'll adopt in full the recommendations. 12-month probation, $480 oversight fee, total fines that cost $1,300. Can you pay that today or do you need to talk about options? Do that downstairs. The items 1 through 10, the recommendations I adopted include 8 days on the court work program. Those work days are scheduled as an alternative to jail. That means if we're having trouble getting you to finish the 8 days on the work program, then I'm just going to have you do the jail time. Understood? Any questions?
With the work.
You pick the days, you sign up. Those days you show up here at 8 o'clock in the morning, you go out with our crew. We're getting to the point now we're going to start cleaning up some parks in the communities. We might be working some street festivals, picking up garbage. Might be cleaning up a park with some weed whacking, that kind of stuff. Understood? Questions? You all set?
I'll let you give you the last name after. What is it, sir?
Sir, what's your name?
Ethan, go on.
Radio on.
Yeah, go ahead while I look for the file.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowditch, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Villar. Your Honor, today is the date time set for sentencing in this matter. There is no report.
Why did I schedule sentencing today? I didn't say. I know, and I didn't sentence him the day of a plea for a reason. What did I tell you? I probably told you to get something done.
You said get a job, get my license, have my dogs under control.
Did you get your dogs under control?
Yeah.
What did you do?
We put a gate up on our porch so they can't get down.
Good. So they can't escape, right? Cannot escape, right? You got them licensed?
No, I don't have my license. No.
Why?
My brother told me it would be better to wait until after I turn 21 so that I don't have to immediately renew my license as soon as I get it.
Okay. So you're going to take your legal advice from your brother instead of the judge that was going to sentence you when next time I saw you. Is that what I just heard?
No.
Is that what I just heard?
I want to get my license. My brother said it would make more sense to do it after I turn 21.
So you took your advice from your brother. So you took your advice from your brother.
Yes.
Yeah. So how about a job? Did you get a job?
Yes. Didn't get a job, but I have not started at that job yet.
Okay. So since March, you haven't been able to find a job to start.
No, but I got one recently. I just have not started at it.
Okay. Where are you going to start and when?
I have not figured that out. I'm waiting on a call from the manager right now.
Manager of what?
The Dollar General down in Carl.
Okay. How long have you been waiting for the call from Dollar General?
About 2 days.
Okay. What makes you think they're going to call you?
Well, whenever I got done with the interview, he said he'll call me and tell me when I start. And he said he'd let me give it a try for about a week to see how things go.
Okay. Where did you go to high school?
Community high school.
Did you graduate?
Yes.
When?
2024.
Okay. So have you worked since high school? Have you worked anywhere? Okay. Who's paying your bills?
My mom and dad.
Okay. What was your GPA?
I had no idea.
Usually, in my experience, that means it was lower than it could have been. Okay.
I think it was like 3.3.
Okay. All right. So my notes said that what I told you back in March was to provide proof of dog training. Did you do any dog training or did you just put up the gate?
We just put up a gate and
You say, these your parents don't?
yeah.
All right, I'm sorry.
What kind of dog you got?
I have Australian Shepherd.
More than one?
3.
And they're your dogs?
One of them is mine, the other 2 are my parents.
Okay. All right. So like you pay for the food and the vet bills and all that kind of stuff?
When I had money from helping my brother, yeah.
Okay. What's your brother do?
He works for FedEx, but whenever I go with him, we do DoorDash and
Okay. Okay. Anything else?
shut that phone.
You got a driver's license? Are you getting one of those? When?
Like I said, after I turn 21, I'm going to go for it.
Oh, all right. I was talking about your dog license. Yeah, didn't I tell you to get a dog license? Is your dog licensed?
Oh my.
Then your dog's not licensed. Huron Township gives licenses to the dogs that are in their community so they can keep track of the dogs that are in their community. You understand that concept? Okay. If you don't know what it is, I'm assuming that means your dog is not licensed.
I don't know if she gets her free.
Okay. So by your memory, what last time you and I spoke, I told you to get a job before I saw you again, right? And I told you to get a license before I saw you again. You thought driver's license, I thought dog license. What else did I tell you?
Have a job, have a license, control the dog.
Control the dog. So you did one of three. Would you agree with me? You put a gate up. And it sounds like mom and dad put the gate up.
Well, yeah, right.
Okay. Oh, boy. All right, I'm going to put a delayed sentence for 12 months. That means stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Instead of court costs, because you don't have a job and I don't want your mom's money, I'm going to order 3 days on the court work program. Can you get a ride here 3 days if you schedule the 3 days, if you pick the days? All right. I would suggest you get those days banged out pretty quick, so if Dollar General calls you, you can go to work there. Any questions?
No.
All right, stay out of trouble, get your 3 days done, and then we'll dismiss this at the end of 12 months. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Counsel, who do you got?
In this courtroom session, Judge Oakley dealt with two defendants who were given opportunities to prove they could follow the court's orders, but both found themselves back before the judge because of unfinished responsibilities. The first defendant, Mr. Hart, had only recently begun probation and was already facing scrutiny after admitting that he continued using marijuana despite clear court instructions prohibiting mood-altering substances. The admission immediately raised concerns for the judge, who viewed it as a troubling sign that Hart was not taking the conditions of his probation seriously. Stressing that probation is a privilege and not a free pass, Judge Oakley imposed a structured sentence that included probation supervision, financial obligations, and participation in a court work program. The judge's message was simple. If Hart wanted to avoid harsher consequences, he needed to start demonstrating responsibility and compliance immediately. The second case focused on Ethan, a defendant who had previously been given several goals aimed at improving his situation before sentencing. While Ethan had taken steps to address concerns involving his dogs, he had failed to make meaningful progress on other important tasks, including finding employment and obtaining a driver's license. Judge Oakley acknowledged the effort that had been made but expressed disappointment that the majority of the court's expectations remained unmet. Rather than imposing a severe punishment, the judge chose a balanced approach, giving Ethan additional time to get his life on track through a delayed sentence. Because Ethan was unemployed, the court avoided adding financial pressure and instead required him to complete a short court work program. Throughout both cases, Judge Oakley emphasized a recurring theme often seen in his courtroom: accountability matters, opportunities must be earned, and defendants who fail to follow through on their commitments risk facing more serious consequences down the road.